Nature cries, 'cause reason is slowly evaporating. But nature's cry goes unheard. The cry spares her feet so